I'm Tim Langston with Red Dog Bushcraft, and today all about cups. I'd like this to be my first VR challenge, and I'm going to tag Mr. William Collins of WC Knives, and he challenged me not too long ago in a video response, and I'd like to pay that forward and give him a chance to share some opportunities and some opinions on his preferred cup. And if he's so inclined, I would like him to tag someone else, and we'll learn from each other. So just a quick history on me and the cups that I use. Now, I imagine back in the day the first cup was just a folded up leaf or something that was found out in nature that would hold water that people would drink out of. And in the bushcraft community, it's a nice thing to do, to go out in the woods and collect a piece of wood. This was a piece of cherry, and to make your own cup out of it. And I enjoy doing that, and the carving and the satisfaction, the skills you learn are pretty cool. But there's also other manufactured cups around. This is a half cup measuring cup that's wood and goes with a nice bushcraft style kit. And today in modern gear we have these composite cups. That's a plastic and wood product combined. They're very lightweight, very versatile, fun to use when you're out practicing your bushcraft, and require a lot less cleaning and effort to keep up than wood does, but you still have some of those traditional values there. Now, when I'm ultralight backpacking, you know, titanium is nice because it's lightweight and it's pretty durable, but it's hard to beat the durability of stainless steel. And I use a single-walled stainless steel cup quite often when I'm out, because I like blending the versatility of the lightweight, easy to heat things up, durability and weight to what I'm out there doing. But the trade-off is weight. Another stainless steel cup that I like to use quite a bit is a double-walled stainless steel cup. And I even have a double-walled stainless steel cup that's wrapped in leather and has a leather handle on it. And this is fun. It kind of blends the old world and the new world together and is a very functional piece of equipment. But when I choose a cup, I'm looking for versatility. And that's the reason that I choose the Pathfinder single-walled stainless steel cup. I like that it has holes in the top of it, and I can use a device called a fish mouth spreader, and I can place that inside of the cup and hang it like a pot. And that adds one more piece of versatility. Of course, there's trade-offs with everything. So it's going to be heavier than titanium, but it's stronger, or at least it does better in my pack as far as getting bent. The other trade-off is whatever's inside this cup. I like drinking coffee, and this cup is going to heat up to the temperature of my coffee. So when you go to drink out of it, I've actually burned my lips on these things. So for just a little bit of money and weight, I like this little device called Hot Lips, and it just snaps onto the cup and it stays there, and now you have an insulator between that stainless steel cup and your lips. So that's my preferred cup to use while I'm out practicing my skills and enjoying nature. So William, I'd like to hear your opinion, and if you can, if you could tag someone else, and I will put a link to his YouTube channel down here at the bottom, and let's have some fun with this, get some ideas from different people and see what they use and the versatility of the different equipment, and we'll all learn from one another. So thanks for joining me for this video, and if you're so inclined, I didn't tag you and you'd like to jump in on this VR, please, by all means, do that. And, share it with us so we can all watch your videos also. So until then, I'm Tim Langston with Red Dog Bushcraft, home of global safety and survival. God bless.